In today's video, I am at Keller Williams Client's Choice Realty for our 5th annual benefit car show, benefiting partners in housing. It's about 7:10 in the morning right now. About 8 o'clock, we'll start seeing cars load up. But before then, we have a few things to set up. I'll go around and put out some signs, then we'll clean up the rest of the parking lot and get ready for the show. Starts about 10 o'clock. I'll walk you through some of it as we go along. All right, it is 8:21 now. All the signs are out. Cars and drivers are starting to filter in. We have a couple vendors pulling out around the building. Should start filling up pretty soon. All right, it is 10:27 right now. All the cars have loaded in. Let's go check out some vehicles.
Christmas and holiday gifts, so it's very good time. Thanks for coming, and hope to see you next year.
Thanks, Don. Good job.
Thanks, Don. All right, that'll do it for the 5th annual Keller Williams Client's Choice Realty Benefit Car Show. Everybody's wrapping up, packing out. We will see you again, hopefully next year. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next video. Totally.